What's up, beautiful people? It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. And the name of this dance is called You're Making Me High. It is 4 easy parts with a bridge, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction. This is the step-by-step instructional. If you're interested in dancing along to the music, please watch till the end. If you're located in the New Orleans area and interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. So guys, are you ready? Let's go. This is a one-wall dance. So let's start on this wall right here. So stand here, facing in this direction. So part one, you're going to do at all 4 walls, okay? So it's the same thing at all 4 walls, coming back to this wall. So the way starts on the left. We slide back on the right. Right, coaster, up, together, lift. So we slide back on the right. 1, come back on the left with a coaster step. 3, 1, 2, and tap, tap. 2 taps, and then lift that knee up. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, and lift 4. When you lift that leg up, shuffle up on the left. 4, 5, and 6, pivot 7, 8. Step, pivot, turn. Again, slide back right. 1, coaster, 2, and 3, and 4. So you tap forward, together, lift. Shuffle up on the left, left, right, left, step right, pivot quarter to your left. Then you do it again, slide back on the right. 1, coaster, 2, and 3, and 4. Shuffle up on the left, 5, and 6, pivot 7, 8. You're looking back at the camera, just listen to my voice. Slide back on the right. 1, coaster left. 2, tap. 3, tap. Lift 4, shuffle left. 5 and 6, pivot 7, 8. Okay? So that's part 1. So let's do it again. Let me walk through it again. Slide back on the right. Right, coaster left. Coaster, which is left, right. I'm going to tap on that left. Forward, together, lift. So that left is going to do a coaster step. Left, right is going to tap forward. That left leg, left, together, and lift. So that left is doing a lot. It's doing a coaster step. It's tapping forward, together, and it's lifting. And shuffle left. Left, right, left, step right, pivot quarter to your left. So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, lift 4, shuffle 5 and 6, pivot 7, 8, back 1, coaster 2 and 3, lift 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, back 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, pivot 7, 8, back 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And we're back here at our front wall, okay? So you do the same thing, back on that right. Don't change the footwork at each wall. Now we're going to roll 2 times to the right. Roll, and 2 times to the left, roll. We walk easy, come back. Right, left, rock. Right, left. And that's part 2. Yes. So we just did part 1. Now we do part 2, 2 times. Part 1, we do all 4 walls 4 times. Part 2, 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, rock. 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, 5, 6, 7. Walk easy. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Now, when you do your easy, that right shoulder is going to come back. That walk easy, okay? Let's go back to the top. That's part 1, part 2. Instructor, I would teach this to my beginners. Would I teach it to my beginners that just walked in the door? No. But those that's been coming a while, there's not a step in this dance that they can't do. Okay? So 5, 6, 7. Back 1. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Shuffle 5 and 6. Pivot 7, 8. Back 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Shuffle 5 and 6, 7, 8. Back 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Shuffle 5 and 6. Pivot 7, 8. It's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Shuffle 5 and 6. Pivot 7, 8. Part 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 5, 6, 7. Walk easy. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, 8. I know you got it. So now we're going to do a travel step. To our left with the right leg. 1 and 2 and 3. Kick 4. Cross 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Cross 1 and 2 and 3. Kick 4. Cross 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. That's part 3. So we're doing a travel step. 1 and 2 and 3. Kick 4 and 5. Kick 6. Kick 7 and 8. Travel 1 and 2 and 3. Kick 4. Cross 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And that's part 3. Let me go on to part 4 because it's so difficult. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's part 4. I told you it was difficult. Slide up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Camel walk back on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My weight is on the left, and I'm back at the top. That's part 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the bridge, so simple. Okay? So simple. So let's put 1, 2, 3, and 4 together. So part 1 is that sliding back, all 4 walls. Part 2 is roll 2 times to the right. You're going to do that twice. Okay? Part 3 is your travel step. Right leg going left, left leg going right. Part 4 is you slide up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Camel walk. Step on that right. 1, 2, 3. So if you've never done a camel walk, all you're doing is coming back, you're lifting the heel. The heel go up and down. Up. And alternating. Okay? All right, let's go. Part 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then I'm gonna show you the bridge, which is easy. All right? Remember, instructor, your bridge is going to be an extended verse. Not an extended verse, but the bridge is a verse. It's not a tag. The tag is just extra beats. It can be 8 beats, 6 beats, maybe even 16. But this bridge is almost as long as a verse. It is as long as a verse. Might sound a little different, but it's a bridge, not a tag. Okay? All right. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide back. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Walk easy. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 5, 6, 7. Right. Walk easy. 2, 3, 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, travel. 1 and 2 and 3, kick. 4, cross 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Cross 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Cross 5 and 6 and 7. Slide up. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Camel walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then start the dance over again. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4. First rotation. Second rotation, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Third rotation, the bridge comes in. So I'm going to do a jazz square, right over left. Right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, 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 left. I did that 4 times. Then I'm going to do a cross with a cha-cha. Cross mambo. Right, left, cha-cha-cha. Left, right, cha-cha-cha. Okay? So, jazz square, then a cross mambo. Jazz square 4 times. Cross mambo 2 times. Then I'm going to do a step pivot turn all the way around the room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm going to roll out to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the bridge. So I did 4 jazz square, 2 cross mambos. I pivot around with my right shoulder going forward, making quarter turn each time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I rolled out to the right. 1, 2, 3, kick 4, back 5, 6, 7, kick 8, roll 1, 2, 3, kick 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, what I'm doing next is I'm going back to the top, but I'm going to leave out part 1. Okay? So I'm not going to slide back. I'm going to roll 1, 2, 3. So this is after the bridge. After the bridge, the song picks up, you roll 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7. Walk easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock 5, 6, 7. Roll again. It's 1. So you go into part 2, you're doing part 3 and part 4. So that third rotation after the bridge, you're going to leave out part 1, okay, which is the slide back. So watch the demo and you know exactly what I'm talking about. I broke down every part of this dance. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Also share this video, like this video. And I thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.